In this video, you will learn in a few easy steps how to get started with this mapping tool. First, open the mapping tool, read the welcome message, and select Close. The mapping tool contains navigational tabs across the top. These are repeated down the left side. These tabs provide you with categories of data, and each of these categories contains a list of measures or data points. The map is where data will appear. For example, select the category Health Indicators. This reveals a list of data measures such as diabetes, hypertension, and so forth. To see the data on the map, let's select the low birth weight measure. Notice that the data appear as colors on the map, and a legend is provided that shows a range of values for each color. A data table appears below the map. At the top of the data table are fields you can use to filter the data and change what is shown on the map and in the data table. If I select the state field, a pop-up window appears. Type Nebraska and then close the pop-up window. The map displays data only for Nebraska. I can zoom in and drag the map to see that particular area. To understand more about this low birth weight data, select the blue eye for information icon next to the indicator. This pop-up window provides the description, the years, the source of that data, and a hyperlink where you can find out more. Together, this is called metadata. To clear a measure from the map, simply scroll down below the categories and select the Reset button. Now you know how to begin exploring. If you want more information, access the complete user guide or contact us. Make sure to watch our next video where I'll share a few helpful tips on the differences between using the data table or the map itself to find specific data for a location.